Hello, this is Liana from Access Fixtures. Today we'll explore the best LED sports lights in 2025. Whether you're lighting a stadium, a residential court, or a sports field, these fixtures deliver cutting-edge performance, durability, and energy efficiency. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more lighting insights. Let's get started. Whether it's lighting up a massive stadium, a neighborhood basketball court, or a remote sports field, the best LED sports lights of 2025 are built to deliver brilliance and reliability. Featuring cutting-edge optics, customizable settings, and rugged durability, these fixtures set a new standard in sports lighting. Designed to meet the needs of players, fans, and facility managers alike, these lights provide precision, efficiency, and sustainability for any sports setting. Let's dive into the standout fixtures that make 2025 the year of extraordinary sports lighting. Apta LED sports lights are specification-grade sports lights and the best choice for high-performance and precision applications. Capable of delivering powerful illumination for large-scale venues, with wattage ranging from 80 to 2400 watts, Aptas can be configured to meet any and all sports lighting applications. Rated L70 for 200,000 hours, Apta features extreme life longevity. To ensure lasting durability, Apta has an aluminum frame construction protected with a marine-grade finish, 10 Ka surge protection, IP66 wet location rating, and an IK10 impact rating. A vast selection of optics enables facilities to limit light trespass or to even be dark sky compliant. Aptas are dimmable and flashable, and optional features include Aptas being integrable with most lighting control systems. Whether you are lighting a backyard pickleball court or basketball court, recreational or professional tennis courts, baseball fields, or football fields, Apta can be configured to meet your sports lighting requirements. The STAD LED sports light is engineered for high-mast installations and are designed to replace 1,000 watt and 1,500 watt metal halide fixtures on a one-for-one basis. STAD optics options include beam angles of 20, 30, 40, or 50 degrees, ensuring precise and even light coverage for sports venues. With maximum wattage and lumens per watt, it delivers up to 850 watts and 171 lumens per watt, achieving over 140,000 lumens per fixture. The lasting durability design features heavy-duty die-cast aluminum housing, cooling fins, and a 20 kV surge protector for reliable performance in extreme conditions. The Caro LED sports light is the best option for residential and general sports lighting, offering performance and affordability. It's highly customizable with wattage, Kelvin, optics, and mounting options to meet specific needs, and it supports dark sky compliance when ordered with 3000 Kelvin LEDs. Highly efficient, Caro delivers 160 to 170 lumens per watt and up to 43,585 lumens, making it ideal for smaller venues and multi-purpose spaces. The exceptional value design combines durable construction and energy efficiency for cost-effective sports lighting solutions. The Suna Solar LED sports light is the best choice for sustainable and off-grid lighting applications. It offers superior light distribution with a luminous efficiency of 185 to 210 lumens per watt and an IP66 rating for consistent performance in demanding environments. With environment-friendly operation, Suna runs entirely on solar power, featuring automatic daylight sensing for seamless energy management. The easy installation and maintenance design requires no trenching or cabling, making it cost-effective and ideal for remote or eco-conscious setups. From high-performance stadiums to eco-friendly remote setups, the best LED sports lights of 2025 redefine what's possible in sports lighting. With precision optics, exceptional durability, and energy-efficient designs, these fixtures deliver unmatched performance for every need and budget. Ready to elevate your sports lighting? Visit our website to explore more or call 1-800-468-9925 to connect with a lighting specialist who can help you find the perfect solution for your project.